And I also thank, I will not be mentioning the names, but I really thank the people who criticized me very well, criticized me very well, because it is because of you that I have. But not everybody has that willpower and strength to overcome this in a positive way. So I request you not to make fun of any, not to body shame anyone. Or they चाहे वो
तर बोली कतै तिमीले चोरीलाने हो कि भन मात्र तिमीलाई के चाहिन्छ दिन्छु म सबै तर चिया चिया म
Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and in good health. So yesterday I put up a story on my Instagram and Facebook. I received a lot of requests from many people asking me about did I diet, did I work out, did I try any meal supplements, or what did I do that I lost weight. So I thought of making a video and sharing it once and for all for everybody. So let me tell you, this did not happen in a one day or two or just by a click. This requires, weight loss is all about getting mentally prepared. It's going to take time. The process is slow, and you have to do something. Whatever you are doing, it has to be consistent. You have to have the consistency, and you have to have patience. You have to have patience. And a girl like me talks about patience. Anyone in the world can do it. Anyone in the world. If I can do it, if a girl like me can say that you need patience and can have patience, trust me, anyone in the world can do it. Anyone. So I'll share about what I did in the past and what worked out for me. Before I proceed with what are the things that I did and what worked out for me, I have a small notice for all the criticizers in the world. Please stop criticizing people about their uh, body, about their weight. If it's too patla, if they are too thin, yeah, if they are too fat, stop criticizing them, because you don't know what they are going through. Being fat, being weight gain can happen due to a lot of reasons: PCOD, PCOS, thyroid, pregnancy, a lot of it. They are already going through a lot of stress within themselves. वो लोग already stress में जा रहे हैं. So I request you guys not to criticize anyone, because for you, you might criticize on social medias, you might criticize them in real life in for just a second and just move on. तुम्हारे लिए वो move on होगा, but for them it's not move on. They take it in their heart and they, like, can't get out or can't get over it. Okay, so I request you, and I also thank, I will not be mentioning the names, but I really thank the people who criticized me very well, criticized me very well, because it is because of you that I have. But not everybody has that willpower and strength to overcome this in a positive way. So I request you not to make fun of any, not to body shame anyone. Or they, चाहे वो पतला हो, चाहे वो एक्स्ट्रा थिन लाइक हड्डी हो, या चाहे वो मोटा आलू पम्पकिन कद्दू हो. Don't make fun. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so moving into the positive side, I applied for going to gym, body shoddy बनाना है या वगैरह वगैरह. So I thought कि why not, चलो gym was also like एक trend में बहुत चल रहा था, like let's go यार, क्या होता है देखते हैं, body shoddy सब बनाना है, let's go. So I applied it for 3 months. Now I applied for 3 months and I went for एक दिन 2 दिन 3 days. I went, I got so bored that I quit. I stopped going to the gym, and मेरा gym वहीं पे stop हो गया. My money got wasted, whatever. Okay. Now after that, slowly करके I like thought कि oh my god, मेरा क्या होगा? How am I going to do? How am I going to lose weight? And वगैरह वगैरह. So after many months, many years, I thought of like चलो YouTube देखते हैं. I opened YouTube and I watched a lot of videos. हिन तिन करके देखी. I made a lot of salads. I made a lot of healthy, boring foods, and I just continued them for a couple of weeks. And then again, I like started feeling so boring. And I found my dietitian on Instagram itself. Her account is Diet with Priyanka. You can go and discuss it with her if you want to. And let me tell you, she gave me wonderful diets, basic homemade plans she gave me, and it was very easy to follow. And she gave me a couple of exercises to do also, but to be honest, zero exercises I have done. The result that I have right now, it's not it's without exercises. And so I prepared myself 1 month ago, so that's 1 month. I went with her for 1.5 months, and the rest of the thing, like half is kind of like I followed it by myself, and half is the motivation that I needed from her. So weight loss is all about calories in and calories out. So when you learn that, it becomes very easy for you to lose weight. And more important than that, for weight loss journey, you require 5 things: consistency, patience, not giving up, calories intake, last exercise. ये नहीं करने से तो भी चलेगा. So let me know if you want to know something more, and I will also be sharing. There were a lot of people asking me about diet plans, so very soon I will be making diet plans. So till then, thank you very much for appreciating the transformation that I have made. So thank you very much once again, and good night. Have a great night. Bye bye.